Hi there, Joe here from Comandante. If you're having problems when disassembling your grinder, getting the axle out of your grinder, it's perhaps a sign that you need to disassemble it and clean it a bit more regularly. But let's have a look at how you can solve it. We recommend a small hammer and some abrasive fleece. First, insert the head of the hammer inside the burr opening and push it against the end of the axle. Then we can hammer down onto the table by pushing the entire grinder down onto the head of the hammer. This can help loosen the axle so that you can remove it from the grinder. If the top washer and ball bearing come out of the grinder with the axle, please don't worry, they were never glued there in the first place. You can simply pull them off the axle, although you may need to use a bit more force. If you're finding it too difficult or impossible, make sure to contact us. We have plan B. If you're successful, simply insert first the ball bearing and push it back into place, and the top washer as normal. Now it's time for the abrasive fleece. So we want to use the abrasive fleece to polish the end of the axle where the hexagonal part is. So we take the fleece and we want to polish it like this to smoothen down any areas that were getting stuck on the ball bearings. Once you've polished it and smoothened down the surface, you can wipe it with a cloth or your fingers or on a t-shirt like this, and then insert it back into the grinder as normal. So, we hope that this helps you reassemble your grinder as normal, but of course, if you're having any difficulties or it's impossible for you and it's not working, please just let us know, we'll take care of you.